good times roll, weekends are our goal. Throw your bags in the back, it's time to hit the road. It's Friday night magic, let's pack it all up tight. 5 weekend adventures, we're ready for a flight. New resorts to discover.
Good morning, YouTube. Today, this is going to be part 2 of my lithium battery install. And the reason it's going to be a part 2 is because if you saw part 1, you saw I had a hard time charging the battery. So I went ahead and bought the LiTime battery charger. This is the big one. And the reason I got the big one is because it charges faster. And it's good for the bigger batteries. It's a 14.6 volt, 40 amps. This one here, if you can see, it's supposed to be more or less for, you can screw it into your camper. But of course, it's too big to put into mine. So what I'm going to do is keep it in the drawer in the back, one of my compartments. And whenever I need it, I can charge it versus waiting to have to wait 2 days to charge. It'll charge it faster, a couple hours, 1 or 2. This is what I'm going to have to do now. This part here, I'm going to connect to the battery, positive and negative post. And then this one will connect to here, which, let me get it out of here for you so you can see. This will connect to here. So when you're out, you gotta just plug it in, and that's it. It is not waterproof. So just remember that it is not waterproof. It's not like the other one I had where I keep it out here in the rain and I didn't really care. This plug here is gonna be, of course, to plug it in so you can hit the power button, start charging. Comes with the mounting if you have a bigger RV and you want to mount it. Comes with the owner's manual, warranty card. You can see real big. This is not waterproof. So let me go in here and install this. And I like doing these videos because I don't know what I'm doing. Some of you might not either. Some of you might. Like I said, this was a little gadget invention thing I did here. I had a individual on Facebook tell me that what he did was he took a piece of wood, made a little block and bolted down here. I'm going to do that because I think it's better than this. The reason being is you can get the wood as high as you want it. And I think it'll be more secure than this. I don't know if this is going to move or not. But for now, I'm going to just keep it on there. But what I did do is I went and bought a strap on Amazon. So that way it goes around behind here. And it's a ratchet strap here. So you can see now, I'll pull it off. See if I can do it one hand. See, it's just a ratchet strap. You pull on it, tightens the battery, and at least when it bounces, it won't go anywhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out, and we'll go ahead and put the new wire cables on here. So as you can see, this is gonna be, so it's gonna go on here. It'll be on here. Most likely I'm gonna put it backwards, because that way it'll be here. And when I need it, what I do is pull it this way, plug it in, and charge. It's as simple as that. If you wanna watch how I do this, you can stay on. If you don't, I understand. But just figure I'd make this little video for you guys today. So let me set up the camera here. We can go ahead and work this out at fast motion. move the camera a little bit back because the sun is out and it is starting to get hot. I guess summer's coming sooner than what we thought, which is great because that means camping season is up. Just want to always make sure your cables are not caught up in a bind or anything like that. Alright, so we have this here. I said now I'm just going to go ahead and take these out and connect my plug. Red is red, black is black. Common sense. Half inch. Power's off inside. You always want to start off with the negative. So now, as you can see, always in the Casita, the black is the positive, the white is the negative. So negative right here. So of course you're going to go with the negative here. It tells you right on here anyway. Negative, positive. So add it to the collection here. Screw it back in. First I do it by hand. I want to make sure I don't mess up the threads. Got it a little closer here. And then I'll go ahead and tighten it down. Don't forget you put your whatever other accessories you have on here. And this right here, you're probably wondering, these are for my underglow lights. That's what this one is here. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick it in between here. Let's get this. There we go. That way it's right there. Now go ahead and tighten it down. That's done. Now we'll go over here to the positive. And what I'll do, like I said, is I'm going to turn it this way. So that way when I have to plug it in, all I got to do is turn it out and it'll plug right in. So put the cap back on here. The negative. We're going to do the positive now. It's beautiful day out here today. I don't know if you can hear the birds and all that. I don't think it's hot. And what do I like about hot days? That means it's pool season. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this back up. It sure is always tight. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in, and we are done. So let me fix the camera so I can adjust this because it's too close to the camera, so I can put it back in here. as you can see, got the battery here. So I just, like I said before, put it up, bend it up, make sure the cables are cleared, and slide it in nice and easy so I can make sure none of the cables get pinched. Which so far everything is good. All the way back. Now I'll go ahead and take the extra wires, put them back where they were. And that's it. So now when I need to charge, all we have to do is, hopefully you can see me from here. Well, not me, but what I'm going to show you. Here's the LiTime charger. This is, you're going to take this, the charger. Let me take it out of here. Sorry about this. And you're going to plug this charger here into, it also tells you positive, negative, so you don't get it confused, in here. That's it. Once you plug it in, you take the other better half and make sure you don't turn it on until everything is set to be turned on. Hold on, I'm trying to get this thing here. You're gonna plug this in to the charger. Plug this into the outlet. Once everything is set, you got a little chart here that shows you it's charging, full, fully charged, or standby. So in other words, if it's blinking red, it's full. If it's fully charged, it'll stay solid, and if it's standby, it'll be blinking green. And charging, it'll be solid red. And you'll see that right here. Don't get it wet. If you have somewhere you can mount this, but there's no space in here to mount. Other people with bigger RVs have places to mount them. I'm just gonna keep this in the compartment. Like I said, you plug it in. Once you have it plugged into the outlet, you go ahead and hit the switch. And it'll start charging. You'll have your app that'll tell you how many amps are going in and how long you have for it to charge. So I just wanted to follow up because I know some people ask, well, what if you need it charged? That's what I'm doing now, just to make it easier. Like I said, I'm done. I'm not going to bore you with trying to put this back. That's all you have to do. So hopefully this helped you out. You enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Got to make a camping trip because it is getting hot out here, and I can't wait to go back out. I've been locked up too long. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.